In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana, step-by-step guide for project managers, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing in to your Asana account and opening the workspace where you manage your projects. If your organization uses multiple teams or spaces, make sure you're in the right one so permissions and visibility are set correctly from the beginning. Next, create a new project. Choose to start from scratch so you have full control over the structure. Give the project a clear, descriptive name that signals its purpose, something like Project Budget Tracker or Marketing Q3 Budget. A specific name helps teammates instantly understand what lives here. Now choose your layout. List view works well if you like to see detailed fields and rows and quickly sort or filter. Board view is great for visual categories and status columns. Pick the one that matches how your team naturally works. You can switch later if needed. Create sections to group expenses into meaningful categories. Common examples include labor, software and subscriptions, vendors, marketing, travel, and contingency. Clear sections make it easy to scan for overages and spot where costs are accumulating. Add custom fields and select the number type for anything money related. This ensures consistent formatting and accurate totals in reports. You can set a currency symbol and define decimal places to match your finance conventions. Add fields that help you track financial status and spending. Typical picks are budget amount, actual spend, variance, vendor, payment status, and cost center. Keep the set lightweight but complete, enough to answer how are we tracking without creating data entry fatigue. If you already have standard finance terms, mirror them here for consistency. For each line item, add an assignee and a due date. Assign owners for approvals, purchasing, or reconciliation, and set dates around when invoices are expected or payments are due. If you handle repeating expenses, consider making a recurring task so you never miss a month. Invoices and receipts are essential for budget tracking. Open the relevant task and attach the supporting documents. You can upload files directly or link them from your preferred cloud storage. Add a brief note in the task description with any context like invoice numbers or partial payments to keep everything auditable. Finally, regularly monitor your budget. Sort or filter by section, vendor, or payment status, and review actual versus budget to catch issues early. Use the project's dashboard and charts to visualize spend trends and spot anomalies. A quick weekly review keeps your numbers accurate and your project on track. That's it. Your Asana budget tracker is set up and ready to keep your project finances clear, accountable, and under control.